all this tension, a feeling I never was expecting. I don't see the pros, don't know the cons, forget the whys. Do you know why? Triggered inside the
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you this unit by Ali Grace Hair. I am so excited to show it to you because girl, this color. Okay, so the hair comes in like this package, and basically there are stickers on there that let you know like the details about the hair. So basically this is a 14-inch bob and it comes pre-colored. So it comes this honey blonde beautiful color, and it is a closure if I didn't mention that. And yeah, so this is how she looks. You guys, Ali Grace did such a good job with this coloring. Okay, so the hair itself is just this beautiful hazelnut type of brown, and then it's got this highlight on there. And you guys, they did such a good job. Like I actually cannot stop like looking at the hair. The layers are beautiful. It's dynamic when you move your head, girl. You can just see that it wasn't just one layer of hair that they worked on. They did the whole head. So yeah, this is how the closure looks, and the tracks are sewn in so well. And yeah, it's got the closure and everything sewn on really well. And then there are also these adjustable straps at the back, and obviously I have to adjust them because every wig fits me big. So yeah, that's basically how I'm going to adjust it. And you really do not have to do the most with this wig, especially because it is a closure. I think that's why I'm in such a closure mood lately. So I'm just gonna brush out the hair, and then I'm going to take my foundation. And yes, it is a closure, but you know, it does really help to tint the lace. You don't have to do the most, you just have to take your foundation and it's going to show. The thing about lace, even if it's a closure, even if it's a frontal, if you have not customized it to match your skin, it is going to show. So I'm just going to use foundation to tint that up, and then I'm going to take a scissor and just cut off the excess lace. And the thing about a closure is there are these little flaps on the side that will show, so I'm going to cut those off as well. It's kind of where the lace has been double stitched just so that it can connect to the tracks. So I'm just gonna put the wig on my head and then just start customizing it. Literally with this wig, I can say that it is a throw on and go. Literally all I had to do for this hair was just comb it out and then straighten it. Literally, I straightened it and then cleaned up the parts. You can take a hot comb like how I did. Because the wig is so new, the closure isn't like adjusted to my head. So with time, it's gonna get flatter and flatter and flatter. But after straightening it and then using a hot comb, it does really improve. So yeah, you can watch me just customize and like, you know, install this hair nicely, but it is so easy.
Maybe we could jump back to the start, and you never would talk to me then if we never met, babe. If we never met. Is it too much to ask? A little conversation, a minute's enough to work out the frustration. There's no need to make me bite the pavement. A little conversation. I don't want your love, just a little conversation. A minute's enough to work out the frustration. There's no need to make me bite the pavement. A little conversation. Found myself inside all this tension, a feeling I never was expecting. I don't see the pros, don't know the cons. look at the whites. Do you know why? Triggered inside this situation. Wonder if we maybe were mistaken. Don't wanna talk, don't wanna see, don't wanna feel it. What is left? I've been thinking about us and the things you say. How you don't feel enough to come share my bed.
So yeah, you guys, that is basically it. That is how my wig turned out. I'm obsessed. Let me know in the comment section how you feel about the color job, how you feel about this 14 inches on me. It's giving very much long bob vibes. So yeah, if you are interested in getting this wig, then definitely go into my description box. I will have the link to this hair for you to shop, and I will have a discount code down there if I have one. But yeah, guys, that is it from me. I will see you in my next video, and I hope you enjoyed this one. Bye.
Don't need to